Hi, my name is Jackson. Welcome to the course learning how to create a Telegram bot with Python. In this video, we're going to look at some of the advantages of having a Telegram bot. And the most obvious one is that Telegram is free and contains no ads. Second, there is no extra download required. Recent studies have shown that there is a limited number of apps that a user is willing to download. So even though there are millions of mobile apps out there, only a few of them get into the user's phone. So if you're planning to create a mobile app, be prepared to tackle tough competition. It's easy to convince someone to try out a bot because they already have the Telegram app installed, rather than convincing them to download an app. You have to do a lot of marketing. Next, Telegram is cross-platform. This means that we don't have to worry, like in the case of mobile app, whether people in different platforms will be reached. Telegram lands in all the major platforms, and even better, it lands in the web browser, so it can run everywhere. Fourth, privacy and security. Telegram is one of the most secure messaging app out there. It uses an end-to-end encryption, and that means that your message are not accessible to third party. We even have payment checkout in Telegram bot, so it's secure. Finally, we get immediate feedback from bot because Telegram is a messaging app. So when we send a notification to the user, they'll get notified with a new message. So in most cases, we will have immediate feedback from the user, and that's really nice. So these are some of the advantages. There is more to this one. So in the next video, we'll start our journey in creating Telegram bots. So see you in the next video.